What's up, everybody? It's Zesky again. And in my service to the YouTube community to provide more vintage stuff, amazing whatnots and stuff, I present this lovely 70s model Lakewood S-122 12-inch box fan, otherwise known as yet another eBay item one. Woohoo! I'm trying to get more little mini boxers, kind of like the Lakewood, well, not Lakewood, Lasco Super Electric. And I'm not getting rid of the Corvair yet, but it's looking like it's looking like it's being more difficult than it is. But anyway, I saw this, and there was no bids. So I decided to put my bids in, and lo and behold, I won. But it, like the Corvair, it's missing the rear grille. I mean, it's not a major issue. I'm sure I'll probably find one, or hell, I may just jury rig one. But okay. Yeah. So let's start it up with high. It's got a startup sound. And low. Like literally no difference. I'll probably put some oil in it. I mean, instead it was re-lubricated, but I still tend to put oil in it just in case. So let's start off on low. That's it for that one. More videos to come.